You want to regulate your Twitch ads with Nightbot? I will show you how to do it. Go to nightbot.tv and click on log in with your Twitch. So what we need to do is click on join channel if it says join channel. If it does say part channel, do not click on it. The second thing we want to make sure of is that Nightbot is a moderator. So we go to our Twitch and type /mod Nightbot. Enter. Now, if we go to the Nightbot documentation, we will see the usage of the commercial here. So what we want to do is type !commercial and then the duration of it. We can choose from 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, 120 seconds, 150 seconds, or 180 seconds. Those are the ad blocks you can choose from. You can trigger that by doing !commercial and then one of these numbers. So !commercial 30 will put on a commercial for 30 seconds. If you do not want Nightbot to react, what you want to do is type open bracket, silent, close bracket. These are these I don't know, square kind of brackets, so make sure that you use those kind of. And the biggest reason for the silent here is you can put them in timers as well. So if you go back to Nightbot and we click on timers and we add a timer here, what we can do is type ads in here and we can put as message commercial duration silence. So what we do is we put this in here, commercial 30 seconds, and then he will not say that. So now we can have every hour, we can have a 30-second commercial if 2 lines have been set in chat. If we activate this, Nightbot is going to automatically run a 30-second ad per hour. You can make it less, per 5 minutes, per 10 minutes, 15, 30 minutes, or you can make this more. It will not say anything in chat because it says silent. If you remove this, it will announce that there will be a commercial every time this timer goes off. That's it. I mean, I could talk a little bit more about Nightbot with you, but I've got different videos for that, so why should I? Let's jump into a next video where I talk more about Nightbot and I explain you something specific again that you definitely want to set up. Yeah, because why not? You want to improve your stream, right? So let's jump into this playlist and improve your Nightbot setup. Yeah, let's do that.